Hello friends, we are going to discuss about a relevant topic, big data. First of all, we are moving on to what is big data? Big data is extremely large data sets that may be analyzed computationally to reveal patterns, trends and associations, especially relating to human behavior and interactions. Why we use big data? This is an important question. The big data challenge and opportunity. Big data analytics provides organizations an opportunity for disruptive change and growth. In most cases, however, the datasets are too large, move too fast, or are too complex for the traditional computing environment, which creates a significant challenge. Next, let's think about 5 V's of big data. What are the 5 V's? They are volume, variety, velocity, veracity, and value. Let's think each one of them. First, we are going to discuss about volume. What is volume? As we know, volume refers to the incredible amounts of data generated such seconds from social media, cell phones, cars, credit cards, M2M sensors, photographs, video, etc. The vast amount of data have become so large, in fact, that we can no longer store and analyze data using traditional database technology. That's about volume. Next, we are seeing velocity. Velocity refers to the speed at which vast amount of data are being generated, collected and analyzed. Every day, the number of emails, Twitter messages, photos, video clips, etc. increases at lightning speed around the world. Every second of every day, data is increasing. Not only must it be analyzed, but the speed of transmission and access to the data must also remain instantaneous to allow for real-time access to website, credit card verification, and instant messaging. Now, variety. It is defined as the different types of data we can now use. Data today looks very different than data from the past. We no longer just have structured data that fits nice and neatly into a data table. Today's data is unstructured. In fact, 80% of all the world's data fits into this category, including photos, video sequences, social media updates, etc. New and innovative big data technology is now allowing structured and unstructured data to be harvested, stored, and used simultaneously. Next, we are going to think about the next V of big data, veracity. It's not familiar word. As we know, veracity is the quality or trustworthiness of the data. Gleaning loads and loads of data is of one use if the quality or trustworthiness is not accurate. Next is the value. Worth of the data being extracted is the value of the data. Having endless amount of data is one thing, but unless it can be turned into value, it is useless. That's all about value. Next, who uses big data? The users of big data, or the purpose for using big data, are for banking, education, government, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, etc. Next, we are going to think how it works. Yeah, that's an important topic. How does big data work? Before discovering how big data can work for your business, you should first understand where it comes from. It comes through many ways, like streaming data. It includes data that reaches your IT systems from a web of connected devices, often part of the IoT. You can analyze this data as it arrives and make decisions on what data to keep, what not to keep, and what requires further analysis. Social media data. The data and social interactions is an increasingly attractive set of information, particularly for marketing, sales, and support functions. It's often in unstructured or semi structured forms, so it poses a unique challenge when it comes to consumption and analysis. Publicly available sources. Massive amount of data are available through open data sources like the government's data and some other informations. Now we are moving on to the conclusion. So, big data is a term that describes the large volume of data, both structured and unstructured, that inundates business on a day to day basis. But it's not the amount of data that's important, it's what organizations do with the data that matters. Big data can be analyzed for insights that lead to better decisions and strategic business movements. That's all about big data. Thank you for watching.